Best 5 air fresheners for home are offer in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of best 5 air fresheners for home from trustworthy brand to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Odors. They're everywhere, lingering in the air or arising at the most awkward times. Forget masking them with some frou-frou spray. Febreze Air Effects actually fights air odors. This kind of awesome straight-up fights stink with a neat little molecule called cyclodextrin. Bonus, it's naturally made from corn. It's a handy air freshener that's easy to use. Simply spray in a sweeping motion and fight those bad smells anywhere. The bathroom, the kitchen, that cabin you rented for the weekend, the shoe closet, your kid's room, anytime you want an instant burst of fresh. With hints of pear and lily, the sweet just-washed scent of linen and sky will have you floating on a scentastic cloud. And because Febreze Air uses 100% natural propellants, you can confidently freshen your home every day. Looking for even more ways to breathe happy with Febreze? Take the freshness on the road with CAR vent clips. Number 2. Stuck between a stink and a tight space? No worries. Febreze bathroom air fresheners are now longer lasting, for up to 45 days. So, they're the perfect, all-in-one odor fighter for all those tiny spots you forget need to be freshened up. We're talking bathrooms, closets, the corner where your cat's litter box lives, and more. Just press firmly to activate, then set one down wherever you want continuous freshness. It'll keep fighting those small room stinks for 45 days. Want to keep hitting refresh around your home? Give other scents a try and keep spreading that fresh joy around. Number 3. Odors. They're everywhere, lingering in the air or arising at the most awkward times. Forget masking them with some frou-frou spray. Febreze Air Mist actually fights air odors. This kind of awesome straight-up fights stink with a neat little molecule called cyclodextrin. Bonus, it's naturally made from corn. It's a handy air freshener that's easy to use. Simply spray in a sweeping motion and fight those bad smells anywhere. The bathroom, the kitchen, that cabin you rented for the weekend, the shoe closet, your kid's room, anytime you want an instant burst of fresh. And because Febreze AIR Mist uses 100% natural propellants, you can confidently freshen your home every day. Looking for even more ways to breathe happy with Febreze? Take the freshness on the road with CAR vent clips. Number 4. Discover the more natural and premium fragrance infused with natural essential oils diffused by mist with Air Wick Essential Mist Diffuser. It transforms fragrance infused with natural essential oils into a gentle mist that surrounds your home. Several premium fragrances available in refills: lavender and almond blossom, mandarin and sweet tangerine, coconut and pineapple, peony and jasmine, sandalwood, sweet melon and vanilla. Seasonal scents like apple cinnamon medley, pumpkin spice, sweet fruit and nutmeg, brown sugar and vanilla, fresh pine and juniper, and our aroma range with happiness, sleep, unwind and rejuvenate. Number 5. Love Febreze plug but wish you had more control over its scent? Now you can get the scent you want where you want it with Febreze plug scent booster. More than a typical wall plug-in, this unique oil diffuser provides first-day freshness for 50 days, on low, with more scent control than ever before. Wrap your senses in creamy vanilla, delicate florals, and warm sandalwood with downy calm. Control your scent, your way. Adjust scent intensity levels from high to low, and even off when you're away, based on your preference and space. And when the continuous scent isn't enough, hit the boost button for 40 minutes of nose-wowing freshness. Conveniently works with your favorite existing Febreze plug refills. This nifty device also comes with a cord so you can place it high, low, anywhere you want it, and make scent a centerpiece, not a wallflower. Plus, the simple and sleek design of this oil warmer air freshener is a perfect match to any decor, whether it's in your living room, bathroom, or kitchen. Get Febreze plug scent booster and get more scent, more control, just the way you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.